In this video, I will show you how to sign out of all devices on Clash of Clans. So to do this, you don't actually want to open up Clash of Clans itself. Instead, what you want to do is open up your Gmail or Outlook wherever you host your email. Then just make sure you're signed into the account or email that is connected with your Clash of Clans account. From there, just search for Supercell in your inbox. If someone is signed into your account, you will get an email that says, first, the code right here. They will need a code to sign in. But then, after that, you will get an email that says, warning right here. It's in Dutch, but basically it says, warning, new device. From there, you can click on, this is not my device. If you don't find it immediately, just search for Supercell ID warning. Now for me, it's in Dutch, so I'll type it in Dutch, and then you will only find those emails. Now, just click on one, and then go to click on This is not my device, which is the pink button right there. Open it up, and then from there, it will say Sign out on all devices. Once you click on that, it will sign you out of all of your devices. Now, if you cannot find an email like this, then you can also manually trigger an email by just signing into your Supercell ID on a new device. So you can just, for example, use someone else's phone to sign into your Supercell ID. Then from there, you will get an email like this. And you can then also click on Sign out of all devices. After clicking on that, it will sign you out. So now you know how to sign out of all devices on Clash of Clans. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.